The charged member is found guilty of contravening Rule 25.17.17.4 of the ANC Constitution. The charged member is expelled from the ANC.
Umengameli walokho we-ANC uJacob Zuma uqothwe ngokusemthethweni ehlanganweni ye-ANC.
Even if he does appeal this particular decision that's been taken by the National Disciplinary Committee, it doesn't mean that his appeal will be accepted.
Umtozululi wezepolitiki uKhanya Magubane abangazithwenya ngokuzibilayeza njengoba nayisahlulelo sitsho kungcono arage ne-MK Party. Kuba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngelimi lesindebele lotshane emakhaya. Ihlangano ye-ANC iqothe umengameli walokho waphambilini uJacob Zuma ngokusemthethweni. uZuma uqothelwa ukuphula imithetho yehlangano efaka hlangana ukusungula ihlangano etsha umkhonto wesizwe party kunye nokuyibawela amavoto. Ihlelo lokukhalima uZuma libanjwe ngethungelelwano ngandi unobhalazo mbelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula bekangufakazi. Izangobatsho ithi amalunga amahlanu kalikhomba wekomite enkulu avotele ukuthi uZuma aqothwe.
Umengameli walokho we-ANC uJacob Zuma wadosela ibandla elikhalimako le-ANC ngemva kokumemezela ukuthi uzokufunela ihlangano yomkhonto wesizwe party amavoto. NgoTjhirhweni nonyaka ihlangano ye-ANC yajamisa uZuma njengelunga lehlangano. Ukukhalinywa kwakaZuma khabe kufanele kubanjwe ngaphambi kwamakhetho kodwana kwathiliswela ngemva kwamakhetho ngenxa yevikeleko ngokutsho kwe-ANC.
The National Disciplinary Committee finds that the charged member is found guilty of contravening Rule 25.17.17.4 of the ANC Constitution, read with subsection 2, for prejudicing the integrity or repute of the organization by acting in collaboration with a registered political party to which the party which is not in alliance with the ANC in a manner contrary to the aims, policies and objectives of the African National Congress. The charged member is expelled from the ANC.
Nakethula imiphumela ibandla elikhalimako le-ANC unobhalazo mbelele wehlangano ufikile Mbalula uthi kubebudisi kukhulu ukuthatha isiqondo esi.
Dealing with the Jacob Zuma matter has not been an easy one in terms of how normally you deal with people who behave like him as members of the ANC, who choose to leave the party and then form a political party and work against the party openly and decampaign the party. That's what Jacob Zuma has done. So under normal circumstances, we should have just said, he's gone, he's gone.
uZuma unamalanga ama-24 ukujijila isiqondo esi.
Indaba nazisenjalo umcozululi wezepolitiki uKhanya Magubane uthi umengameli walokho uJacob Zuma kufuze angazibilayezi ngesiqundo sokuqothwa kwakhe njengoba naqothela ukusungula ihlangano yomkhonto wesizwe party. Magubane uthi uZuma ujokole kwezwakala ngokuthathela i-ANC inhlalo ezima-58 eParliamente. Uthi uZuma nakangazibilayeza i-ANC ingasiphayi isibaweso ukukhandela ukuriyada kwekambiso leyo.
I think given the heavy blow that Umkhonto wesizwe dealt the ANC in the recent elections, I think the right thing to do will be to walk away and focus his attention on Umkhonto wesizwe, because at the end of the day, even if he does appeal this particular decision that's been taken by the National Disciplinary Committee, it doesn't mean that his appeal will be accepted, and it just prolongs an unnecessary process.
Magubane uthi uZuma ngamsiza ukuthi azijejele ukuthumba inhlalo ezima-58 le eParliamente ngombana ngikho lapha nembe khona kwezwakala mva nje.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuzile ukuthi uthini umbono wakho mbukeli ngokuqothwa kukaMengameli walokho uJacob Zuma kwe-ANC. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
uxotsha uNcamalala.
Umtholozi kaloko xa wayishiya i-ANC futhi canvassing into i-ANC mayingavotelwa kuvotela i-MK loo nto yayithetha ukuthi selahlile kwa-ANC andiyazi bi-ANC bikade icinga ntoni xesha lonke.
Kona kuyisinqumo bekade sivele silindelekile kodwa indlela abasingathe ngayo ukuthi siphumele kwabendaba obabuzuma engakasazi ngibona ngathi kuwubudede ngobukhulu.
uZuma kuqala ingabe bamgcotha kuqala vele kule nhlangano yabo.
Kaloku kudala wazigqotha kwayena ebesevele ezigqothile. Nimgqotha kanjani umuntu ebevele sezigqothile?
Usebenzise abantu bama bavotele iMK wabe a member ye-ANC wasupose baba ngigqothe kwakudala ngiyayothuka ba ngigqothwa ngoku.
Na uyigubile yena ka boyena ka ANC ka go tsebisa gore o joinela umkhonto sekulo go tela yona Sesotho se re marena mabedi ga sebeletswe.
Ukhongolose udideke ngempela futhi uswele into ozoyenza. Ubhizi uxoshana nobaba uZuma. Ubaba uZuma asanakile ukhongolose.
Ihlangano ye-ANC yenze kuhle ukulandela yonke imigomo yokumcotheni ubaba uZuma.
Umbona ngombukeli SABC ayizukuthosa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ikomiti enkulu yephiko labomma le-ANC beyibambe umhlangano wayo wokuthoma ngemva kwamakhetho wanonyaka ngepelaveke. Umengameli wephiko leli uSisisi Tolashe uthi iphiko leli lenze konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa bona i-ANC iyawathumba amakhetho. Kanti nanyana ingakathumbi ngokupheleleko nje bayalamukela igadango likahulumende lokubusa ngokubumbana. Kanti bathokoze nemidlalo yama-Olympic ngokubandakanya abantu bengubo ngokulingana nabantu bembaji.
Iphiko labomma le-ANC lithi nanyana i-ANC ingakathola amavoti amaningi ithangezi yalahlekelwa amaqalondwana zayo njengokulwela ikululeko. Iphiko lithi nanyana kunentshijilo ehlanganweni le na umdosi phambili usebenza ngokuzimisela kinanyana ngibuphi ubujamo.
The ANC on its inception, it said it is a leader of the society. So if you pronounce yourself as a leader of the society, you lead when it's nice, you lead when it's difficult. And ANC had to lead even in this because the South Africans did not give one party a clear majority.
Although the ANC-led government has had some shortcomings and challenges, both internally and due to external influences as well, it has never abandoned its fundamental responsibility as a liberation movement.
Hlangana nebekukhulunyisana ngakho emhlanganweni wekomiti enkulu yephiko labomma le-ANC bomma nokulahleka kwabomma nabantwana babendazana.
These horrendous episodes of violence against women are not only an attack on women but also on our democracy, corroding the moral and the social fabric of our non-sexist and non-racial society.
Iphiko lithokozise ijaji uMandisa Maya ngokubekwa njengomengameli wamajaji ongumma kanti lithokoze nemidlalo yama-Olympic ngokubandakanya abomma ngokulingana nabo baba. Ngingunontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngibika ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Nasibuya entolo.
When I received the call that I must go to school and identify my son, I was so shocked.
Ufuna ukulungisa umndeni womfundi obulewe ngomunye umfundi. Sisesigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele. Nazi kuphunduleka indaba ezi uyazithola ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Inhlangano ezilwela amalungelo waboma kunye nabantwana eMthwalume kwaZulu-Natal sithi zibona ngathi zilwa ipi engayiphambili yokulwela ukuqedwa kwezehlakalo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili. Njengoba nakubonakala ahagala amacala abandakanya ukukhahlumezwa kwaboma nabantwana, inhlangano le ithi isilingeke kakhulu ngokuvela komsana weminyaka eli-17 ubudala oqalene necala lokubulala umntwana oneminyaka ebunane ubudala wakata omunye umntwana oneminyaka ezi-6 ubudala.
Uphume ngobunengi bawo umphakathi weMthwalume. Ihlangano yabomma nabobaba bedosa phambili umchagalo bachinge ekhotho kaMagistrata weMzumbe ukuyokuchagalela ukuqeda kokukhahlumezana ngokobulili kunye nabantwana. Ngazi kutholakala isidumbu somntazinyana weminyaka ebunane ubudala silahlwe ngaphakathi komlambo nyaka opheleleko ngemva kokuthi sifunwa amalanga alithoba. Imalanga enambala adluleko umntazinyana oneminyaka esithandathu ubudala ukatiwe bewabethwa wachiya emangweni oseduze nekhabo. Kubizwa amapholiswa kwabotshwa umsolo weminyaka eli-17 ubudala. Ekuzwakala ukuthi uzivumelene ngokwakhe umlando wokubulala umntwana ubudala. Nakusenjalo inhlangano ezilwisana nokuguruzela kibomma nabantwana ziragela phambili nokulisana nokuqedwa kwezehlakalo ezifana nalezi.
Igama ezenzakala eMthwalume njengamanje asiboni ukuthi sinqoba ngoba sibona kunama cases amasha usuku nosuku. Asazi kahle hle ukuthi konakele phela ngoba sikwenza konke emphakathini siyazama ukuhlanza even abantu besilisa.
Siphatheka kabuhlungu ukuthi kubulawe abantu besifazane nezingane. Ingakho samadoda endawo sakhetha ukuthi asingalali emakhaya sishiye imindeni yethu nathi sihambe siyolekelela umphakathi ongakwazi uzilekelela.
Kanti umweko ufuna impendulo zokuthi ubulawelweni umntwana abo.
Sinako ukujabula ukuthi umbulali igcine nobanjiwe kodwa mhlambe sibuye singabe nako ukujabula okukahle hle ngoba asikokutholi kahle ubulungiswa silosigquqa la enkantolo.
Uhulumende uthi amajima alwisana nobelelesi ayaraga kodwa nomphakathi nawo kufanele ufake isandla ukulwa nomukho omumbilo.
Umphakathi ke wonke ikakhulukazi umphakathi waseMzumbe wonke ama department amakhosi ama NPO nama NGO fanele sibambane siqine ukulwa nalobu bugebengu.
Umsolo akulindeleke ukuthi abuyele ekhotho ngomvulo iveke ezako.
Umndeni wePumalanga Kapa umfundi kaGrade 10 ekuthiwa batsho uhlatshwe wabulawa ngomunye umfundi ngelesihlanu uthi ufuna ubulungiswa. UAzizipho Langboy kuthiwa batsho uhlatshwe entanyeni ngomunye umfundi nabe bebahitshana ngaphandle kwesikolo iRocklands Intermediate School kumasipalata weNelson Mandela Bay. Inkhulu zomnyango wezefundo lo ezifundeni sivakatshele isikolo ukuyokusekela abafundi.
Sekumalanga amathathu umndeni lo unesibibithwana. Akusilula nakancane ukubaduduza kulobo ubuhlungu abakibo bokubhujelwa indodana ngesihlungu esingaka. Konke kuthome njengemhleni esikolweni, kodwa kwaphetha ngomguruguru. uLangboy oneminyaka eli-19 ubudala wahlatshwe entanyeni ngomunye wabafundi.
I put blame to Department of Education because I sent my son to school to study, and then when I received the call that I must go to school and identify my son, I was so shocked because I thought that my son is safe there at school.
Inkhulu zomnyango wezefundo zivakatshela isikolo esukuyokuthoba nokuyokusekela ngokomkhumbulo abafundi. Khulukhulu laba basibone ngamehlo isehlakalo esi.
I am here to make sure that we provide such a psychosocial support to the learners and also the teachers of the school, together with the support staff of the school, because everyone here is devastated by the occurrence.
Isehlakalo esi sibangele nokuthi abanye abafundi bangalibeki esikolweni basabela impilo yabo.
They are very scared to send their kids here because they don't know what's going to happen, because the two guys that were with this one that has passed on, they said they don't want to see any child that comes from Greenbushes. Apparently this one that has stabbed the other one from Youthnik stays in Greenbushes. So now this thing seems like it's Greenbushes versus Youthnik. We don't know what to do.
Umsolwa uyokuvela eNerina Youth Center Court mhla amalanga amabili kuRhoboyi.
Ibhajiwe emkhulumiswano emalungana nabasebenzi beSouth African Bureau of Standards kunye nabaphathi bama-ofisi ePitori. Indaba enkulu imalungana ngokungavumelani ngokuchugululwa kwekambiso yemiholo.
Abadosi phambili beunion yabasebenzi inehawo sekuyiveke solo bagidla indlela eza kulama office ngomnqopho ukuthola isombululo malungana nomchaka abathi awukazo kuphela abaphathi bangakahlangabezani nengongoyilo zabasebenzi.
When we left, we told them, if you have anything different to offer, you can call us and we'll be there. There is nothing else different to offer, we will not be there. The sticking point really is conceding to move, I think, about 143 workers who are paid below the minimum of the scale to the minimum of the scale in a phased-in approach.
Nanyana kunjalo, abaphathi be-SABS bathi uyaraga umsebenzi ngokurerwa kwamaqhinga begodu banethemba lokuthi lo mraro usazokurarululeka. Nakubasebenzi bathi ayikho leyo. inehawu imemene ezinye inkampani ezizihlolise ngaphasi komkhandlu lo we-DTIC ukuthi izingene nazo njengombana bazimisela ukuragela phambili ngomchaga kanti nebandla lezokulamula selazisiwe ngalomraro. Inehawu ithi abaphathi be-SABS abeze nokhunye okungcono kanti abasebenzi bathembise ukuragela phambili nomchaga lo ngeveke zako ngelesine.
Amagqwetha ajamele umsola wesihlanu ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo umeyi wekhothe ephakeme kwePitori ajamile ngelithi ufiso kuhle Nduli kabe angekho hlanu kwendawo yesehlakalo ngelanga lokubulawa umeyiwa ngalo ngo2014. Advocate Mshololo ungange godu ngokuthi iAriela yabo umaliledinini iqinisekisa indaba kaNduli.
Ngokutsho kwaNduli wabona umsola wesithathu umthobisi Mncube kunye nowesine umthokoziseni Maphisa ehostela eGeorge Gore eJohannesburg ngabo 5 entambama nakaqeda ukuchayisa ngilanga ekwabulawa ngalumeyi. Umncube noMaphisa bathi bebagorela abangani babo eliseyidi lokhu phikisana nobufakazi baphambilini bepolisa uSizwe Zungu bokuthi khaya basehostela iBasotho ePostorus. Umbuso ngokuthiwa ngembuzo bewuhlele ukuphikisa ekwajiwe ngomncube noMaphisa.
The version that I put to you on Friday, you remember, I said accused number 3 and 4. Accused number 5 says he remained with accused number 3 at the flat corner Main and Nugget Street from 6 o'clock until late when they slept in that flat. Then now I want your comment, is this confirmed according to the towers that we've read, that they were at corner Main and Nugget Street in Johannesburg?
This doesn't, the data that reflects in front of us doesn't reflect a plain and, Main and Nugget Streets.
Yeah, but then according to this, they were, the tower that is reflected is Holt Street, you know, that it is in the Johannesburg central place, and the accused number 5 especially is also saying that this corner Main and Nugget is in Johannesburg CBD.
Yes, it is indeed in Johannesburg CBD.
Keze imali ranta lehlile nalenganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Lotshani Busayi.
Akwanda Cedric.
Kwangathi sekuthoma ukufuthumala kanje. Ingabe aphelile amakhaza?
Yey, sihlala sitho njalo unyaka nonyaka sithi jiki jiki naku umoya omakhaza uyachidela. Ukhona godu ke uchidela ngale ngeKapa ke sicale ukuthi kukhamba njani. Ngomvule ndamba masithembe ukuthi iphela veke ibe mnandi vele ke umoya ngikhuluma ngawo uchidela lapha ke eCape Town uletha amathuba wezulu alinganisela ku 30% phakathi nenaga yeSouth Africa sibona lapha inkomba zomoya kuthi ke ngapha ngale nawuchinga ePumalanga ukuchinga lapha emaphethelweni weSouth Africa ePumalanga sibona lapha ke uligubuzese ngamafu kusasa umoya lo uchidela kakhulu ke ngapha ngendaweni izangale ngeDurban namathuba wezulu alinganisela ku 30% ukusuka eGqeberha uchinga ngale ngeCape Town sibona lapha ke lilindelekile kodwa izulu nge30% asicale ke amazinga wokuchisa kuhle kuhle ke ngobusuku obusithole lapha isilemukise sisitshela ukuthi kune umoya owenza ukuthi ilwandle libe bukhali khulukhulu ke kuleza ndawo ukuchinga ngale ke ngakubodeben wehlele njalo nalapha ke ngeGqeberha kodwa kusasa ke silemukise sasesekhona kodwa ke sisuka ngale ngeKapa sichinge ngapha ke ngePumalanga Kapa kwaphela sizokusuduka ke ukwazi ubona amazinga akho ukuchisa iGauteng ibonakala ipholile ngemva kwamadina kodwa kulala kuvuke kumakhaza endaweni eziningi iLimpopo ke nayo ngokunjalo ipholile endaweni eziningi ifuthumale Thohoya ndomusina ichise nge27 nokho ke kulala kuvuke kumakhaza sibona lapha ke iMpumalanga nayo ke endaweni eziningi kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokukhamba kwesikhathi isikhukhuza iyachisa endaweni eziningi kubo Sekunda kuba makhazana umoya usabetha nangemini lapha ke kwaZulu Natal kubonakala kupholile khulukhulu ke lapha ke endaweni zeRichards Bay eDurban nge22 iPietermaritzburg neKokstad zona ke zimakhaza nangemva kwamadina lapha ke ePumalanga Kapa kumakhaza ke njengoba sibonile umoya uchitela nje abantu imini yonke bambathe bafuthumele ngilesa sifunda nangaleke ngekapa sibona ke kumakhaza eCape Town ngemva kwamadina nge13 kizo zonke indawo ke zangapho ngeTshingalanga Kapa zimakhaza lapha ke eNorthern Cape nakhona kubonakala kumakhaza kubuya kube nganeno ke ngale ngeKurumani nge20 ngemva kwamadina endaweni eziningi kubo Sutherland kumakhaza iFreystata nayo ke ipholile endaweni ezifana nalapha kubo Sasolburg kezinye ke kumakhaza isifunda pheze sonke eNorthwest nasigcinako sibona lapha ke kupholile ngemva kwamadina lapha ke Potchefstroom kubuye kube nganeno ngale nge23 ngemva kwamadina abantu bambathe bafuthumele njengoba kusesemakhazana sibona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Sithokozile kwanamhlanje sikhona indaba zesiswati kusasa nisale kuhle